In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email as spam in Outlook. Keeping your inbox clean and safe starts with telling Outlook which messages you don't want. I'll walk you through a few simple ways to flag unwanted mail, so Outlook filters it out for you in the future. First, open Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're in your inbox, locate the email you don't trust or simply don't want. Before doing anything, avoid clicking links or downloading attachments in suspicious messages. An easy method is to right-click the email. This opens a quick menu where you'll see options labeled Junk or Report, depending on your version of Outlook. Choose that, and then select Block Sender or Report as Junk. Outlook will move the message to your junk email folder and use that action to help filter similar messages going forward. Blocking a sender tells Outlook not to let future messages from that address land in your inbox. If you prefer the toolbar, select the email once so it's highlighted. At the top, on the Home tab, look for either the Junk button or the Report Message button. Click it, then choose Report as Junk. This does the same thing. The message goes to junk, and your selection helps train the spam filters. The names of these buttons can vary slightly based on your Outlook layout and account type, but they'll be in the Home ribbon. There's also a quick drag and drop option. Click and hold the message, then drag it into the junk email folder in your left sidebar and release. This is fast and keeps your inbox tidy. Just note that dragging a message moves it to junk, but depending on your setup, it may not update your block list or send a report, so the right-click or toolbar options are often more effective for training filters. A few tips to keep things running smoothly. Check your junk email folder occasionally to make sure legitimate messages didn't land there by mistake. If something you wanted was filtered, open it and mark it as not junk to restore it to your inbox and help Outlook learn. For trusted contacts, consider adding them to your safe senders list so their messages bypass the junk filter. And as a general safety practice, treat unexpected attachments and urgent requests with caution even before you mark them as junk. That's it. With these methods, you can quickly mark spam in Outlook, block unwanted senders, and keep your inbox clean and secure.